From an insulating product with a honeycomb structure to a facade construction system that needs a minimum level of skill, here are some of the most incredible inventions that are on another level. Next stone. Converting an ordinary wooden post into a stylish stone column is effortless with the aid of these covers. These covers can be used to enhance railings, pergolas, balconies, and other structures. They come in a standard size of 119 by 20 centimeters and are made of UV-resistant polyurethane that has been specifically modified. The final product is patented and provides better thermal insulation, resulting in cost savings if used to decorate the facade. While the masons are still busy with the mortar, those who have purchased this product have already completed the task and can now relax. A lighting system can be added to complement the purchase. There's no need for any special preparation for these covers, but prepare yourself for more stunning construction technologies next in line. Hybris. Upcoming is a distinctive honeycomb structured insulating product named Hybris, which is so effective that the company is utilizing it to transform shipping containers into small apartments. The manufacturer emphasizes its moisture and wind resistance, excellent sound insulation, lack of shrinkage, and ability to perform well in all seasons. The material's thickness ranges from 50 to 205 millimeters, and it can be conveniently handled, cut, and assembled by a single person. A roll that covers 2.7 square meters is priced at $46. Durisol Bukobran. Achieving relaxation can be challenging if your home is situated on a busy road due to the constant noise levels of 70 to 80 decibels that can disturb occupants. However, these walls made of Durisol, which is composed of 80 to 90% wood chips, Portland cement, and mineral additives, can help to alleviate the problem by reducing noise levels by approximately 30 decibels after installation. This user-friendly installation process is similar to playing with a Lego set, where blocks are stacked on top of each other along the guide rails. The system is also highly dependable as the material is resistant to fire, temperature fluctuations, and even stone impacts. EZBuilder. Do you have the urge to construct something but feel uncertain about your abilities? With a budget of $120 and a kit such as this, you can create a shed, garage, or a similar structure with ease. The concept is to build a timber frame in the simplest way possible, although you'll need to purchase the materials and other necessary items separately. The cost only covers the instructions and steel fasteners, and the kits can be merged and are fail-safe for novices. The direction provides 3 possibilities for timber architecture masterpieces in the future. But hold on, more construction masterpieces are coming your way. Ventakrov. Experts will now install ventilation tape along the roof ridge to ensure efficient drainage of moisture, steam, and gases, thereby preventing issues with mold and condensation in the attic. The installation process is simple. Unroll the tape, carefully affix it to the roof covering, and place the ridge on top. The product boasts high tensile strength and elasticity and measures 5 meters in length and 30 centimeters in width. The cost of the tape is $19. Redi-Rock. Up next are these retaining walls that bear a resemblance to Lego Duplo blocks. The manufacturer is confident that someone else has already utilized their blocks to solve a problem similar to yours over the last 2 decades, and with good reason. The blocks have been employed to safeguard railroad tracks, restore bridges, erect hospitals, and even reconstruct a stadium. The features of these blocks are truly impressive, as walls exceeding 50 feet in height can be built with them. Various types of blocks are available for constructing conventional, reinforced, and freestanding walls, and the trapezoidal shape of these blocks makes it simple to construct curves. Furthermore, there is free software accessible to thousands of engineers worldwide that can assist in designing your project. Besser Bidi. We are examining a device capable of producing concrete pipes that can be customized to suit your specific requirements. The available variations can produce pipes with diameters ranging from 8 to 84 inches and up to 12 feet in length. The VibroMac technology allows for the use of vibro-compressed concrete, a type of concrete that is simultaneously subjected to vibration and pressure, enabling the creation of culverts, arch pipes, or conventional pipes. The company responsible for developing the machine participates in the QCAST program, a rigorous 124-point certification that is independently audited and on an annual basis. Cote Cloture. According to the fence manufacturer, this is the optimal solution for safeguarding your garden. The installation process entails mounting the base first, followed by inserting the panels. Consequently, you will obtain a sturdy and low-maintenance fence that is also eco-friendly, as it is constructed from recycled plastics. On their website, the company claims that no expertise is required to install it, and they advise following the video tutorial's simple steps, which take less than 3 minutes to complete. If the original version appears too plain, decorative panels are also available. The fences are priced at $17 per 6-foot-long panel and come with a 15-year warranty. Ready for the last two? Well, you better not take your eyes off the screen. Trend Zipbolt. Furniture assemblers and kitchen installers can benefit greatly from this solution. Their line of work often involves accessing tight spaces and connecting oddly shaped components. This system is a collection of fasteners equipped with quick clamping bolts designed to facilitate work with a screwdriver or drill. The manufacturer claims that the set enables the job to be completed up to 4 times faster. The technology used in the system is straightforward, utilizing a reduction drive principle that changes the tool's rotation angle in relation to the tightening axis. FacadeClick. A team hailing from Belgium is confident that their product is less expensive, less complicated, more visually appealing, and technologically advanced. It is a facade construction system that allows for the creation of a high-quality brick cladding in any weather condition and with minimal skill. As a result, the process can be completed up to 7 times faster than usual, and any issues can be resolved just as quickly by disassembling everything. The final outcome is not only comparable to a conventional wall, but is also twice as robust and much more affordable, since there is no need to pay for additional materials or the expertise of workers.